Welcome back to Code Hive, the place where we make it work, make it right, and make it fast. So on today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can create a view using Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, right? So basically, what is a view, right? A view is something that you want to create, right? To view results based on what the user wants to see. So you're creating a view based on whatever that you want to see. So you have 5 tables. Out of the 5 tables, I don't want to see all the information that's in there. I want to see certain information. So I'm going to create a view. That view will be used each and every single time I want to view the information that's been there on the view. So you have your name, surname, contact number and email. So I want to create a view that will just show me the name and the contact detail. So that's what I'm creating. I'm creating a view. That way I don't have to see everything that's in the table, right? So that's basically what a view is. So that's what we're going to be talking about, how to create a view. So let's just get straight to it. So the first thing that you're going to do is your new query, right? And then you're going to choose the database in which all your tables are, right? So where you're going to get all your tables. So mine is in the CD database. Okay. So the first thing that you need to do, just like everything else in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, the first thing that you need to do is your create statement, right? So create, what do you want to create? You want to create a view. What do you want to name the view? So I want to name my view the employees view. Okay. So that's the view. That's the name of the view. Employees view. Okay. As, right? So that employees view, right? What does it have, right? This is where now your select statement comes in after your as keyword, right? As select. So now you're just going to mention all the columns from all the specific tables in which you want to view the information. So I want to view the employee name, the employee surname from the employees table. I also want to see the card description, right? From the cards table. I also want to see when the card was made from the employees card table. Okay. So this can vary from person to person and from table to table. So this is just your select statement based on what do you want to see when you execute the view. Okay. So that's all the things that I want to see. Okay. And then your normal from keyword, right? Where is some of these information coming from? It's coming from the employees table, first of all, which is E. Right? The alias for the employees table is E. And then now the join. So in a join, if you still haven't watched my video where I talk about joins, please do so. I go into detail explaining the different types of joins and when to use what join. Okay. So in a join, the employee card table, which is EC, where do they join? They join where the employee ID in the employees table is equals to the employee ID in the employee card table. Okay. And then I also want to join another table, which is the cards table, right? So again, in a join cards C, right? On C dot card ID is equals to EC dot card ID. Okay. So select all those things and then you just specify where the tables are and where the tables link and where they join. But now I want to create this view that I'm creating. I just want to view where the employees are cleaners, for example. So let's say I just want to create a view where I will see the employee surname, the employee name, the card description, and the date made, but only for the cleaners, right? Okay, so this is where now you're going to have your where statement. So where the card description is equals to cleaner. Okay, so now if we just run this and we execute, then it's been executed correctly, right? And then the next thing that I want to do is to select. So to see the view or execute, right? So select all from, and then the view name. So the view that we just created is the employees view, right? So if I just execute that part, then I should be able to see the employee surname, the employee name, the card description, and the date made, right? For all the cleaners, where the card description says cleaner. So it's all the cleaners, right? So let's say you don't want it to be specific, right? So let's say you just want to create another view. So let's just make this employee view 2. But now let's say you don't want the where statement, right? So let's just run that part. Okay, and then it says that it's been completed. Then let's say view 2. Okay, and you execute. So now it will show all the employee surnames, all the employee names, the card description, and the date made. So now it's showing all of them. It's not just showing the specific card description, right? So this is how you create a view. So you've taken information from different tables, but instead of using all the information from all the tables, you just want to see certain parts of that information, and that's what a view is, and that's what it's for.